Adding a signature to your Gmail account can save you time and make your emails look more professional. In this video, we'll show you how to add a signature to your Gmail account in just a few easy steps. First, open your Gmail account and click on the Settings gear icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you see the Signature section. Here, you can create and customize your signature. To create your signature, simply type in the text you want to appear at the bottom of your emails. You can include your name, job title, contact information, or any other information you want to include. You can also format your signature by changing the font size, color, or style. Once you're happy with your signature, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've now added a signature to your Gmail account. The next time you compose an email, your signature will automatically appear at the bottom of the message. And there you have it. Adding a signature to your Gmail account is quick and easy, and can make your emails look more professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.